It's a long story, but it's a revolutionary piece.
So what's the name of your piece?
Black Eye. This poem shall only be recited in music pieces, legends, and newborn cries. It is the soul in an hourglass but yet timeless. It is the marching soldiers singing songs of victory. It is faith. It is oppression to the oppressors. It's a master's whip. It is a slave. It is excruciating pain, the scream of a woman giving birth to the world. It is the chains we broke from the ships that carried our fathers to slavery. It is a boy who prefers to play with Barbie dolls over toy soldiers. A girl who prefers to wear trousers over dresses. It is acceptance. It has no gender, no race, no binaries. The space is acceptance. It is a bullied young boy learning to survive. An African young girl learning that makeup will never make her any more beautiful than she is. And to my African queens, you don't have anything lost on your bodies to make up for. You are more beautiful and original than you could ever be. This poem is the skies that cannot cry, pavements made with the black bodies of our brethren. It is the stars and stripes painted with the blood and sweat of our brethren. It is a countless and nameless graves filled with the white bones of our black brothers and their names. Their names shall never be blown away into nothingness. It is Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Ray Francis Bacon. It's a lie called a mystery. It is El Hajj Malik, El Shabazz, Dr. King, Chico Vera, Castro, Marcus Aurelius, Gavin, Peter Tosh. It is legacy, the land of the upright man, Pan-Africanism that can never be eliminated by method of assassination. Call it Sankara, Lumumba, and every African child. It is a countless years of struggle, the wisdom and liberty that can never be eliminated. Call it 27 years in prison. Yes, call it Jeff Masimula. It's a balcony. You can ask Dr. King or James Ray and his conspiracy clouds. It is the first son of Africa. Call it the great Kwame Nkrumah. It is the greatest Afro athlete in history. Call it Bo Jackson, Jesse Owens, or Cassius Clay. It is a gun assembled in 1947 by a Russian man. A gun celebrated by people for killing other people. It is the capital punishment robe, but it's not an eye for an eye. It is the judgment waiting for Zimmerman, Craven in Haven. It is the oil that hangs Saddam Hussein, the seas that swallows migrants. It is a diamond that tours around the world, but has never been seen by its people. A diamond larger than its price. It is an internal trade in African currency that murdered Gaddafi. Call it gold dinar. It is the words that needs to be echoed from generation in to generation out and further on. The African currency and African independence, architected by the first son of Africa, Kwame Nkrumah. It is the ears that listen, the heart that loves, and the hands that do. Call it Motsamanipo, the men who influenced the naming of our country to what it is today. And with this poem, I am marking your grave for the brave ex-brother. And may your legacy forever live on, brother of the soul. The all must know and swallow it. It is a hated president and his wife, a dying president and his wife. It is a glittering statue of a president who never died for the liberation of his people. And I promise you, his maggots are gonna be of gold. It is a misinforming media, a tower that fell 28 minutes before it was bombed. It is a bomb that left many children as orphans in Syria. It is what they want us to know and what they don't want us to know. Call it total control. It is an African brother who prays for Texas people and forgets his dying brothers and sisters in Sierra Leone, Malawi, and Mozambique. It is a black child accused of a crime he never committed. This piece is a piece of message to a person who taught a black man how to hold a gun, and to all the sons and daughters of this soul who met your faith through a gun. May your souls rest in eternal peace. It is a black man shot and killed with his hands in the air. It is a black child who crossed the road and never came back. A mother with a broken hip but still able to kiss her children goodnight. It's an undressed woman, a raped woman, a married woman who cannot speak for herself. This piece is a gun on his head, a knife on her back. It is a teardrop against inhuman behavior. Black people unreachable